Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text under heading in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add text under heading, go to a blank page. Then select the text frame tool and draw a text box to this option. Then write the heading. Now I write our heading. Then select the text and increase the font size. Then make center align. Now we want to write text under this heading. Then write anything to this text box. Now we can see we write text under heading very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.